have this question about if I went to sleep and for some reason I woke up after a few hours only. Is full Shema required again, or maybe up to the first paragraph only?
No, only first paragraph. Only first paragraph. Yes.
And what about Netilat Yadayim and Tzitzi?
Netalas yadayim, you like we always wash. Of course, there is no blessing, but you just wash, because when we sleep, it's like a person was dead. Even when Paskin debate how much the sleep is is considered to be sleep, but we go by the stricter's opinion, like 15 minutes. It's considered to be like a long sleep. 10-15 minutes. So if you fall asleep, so go and wash your hands again. If you wanted to read Torah, or you need to say blessing. If you don't need to learn Torah or to say blessing, so you're not obligated to wash your hands. You understand? But I would say do it anyway, because you'll forget. Because I know myself, I would forget. So that's why I always after sleep, if on Shabbos I take nap. So after the nap, I always wash my hands. Yeah, go ahead.
This would be in case planning to resume sleeping after a few hours.
Okay, so Shema, you said, so Shema, so he just everybody on the same page. So Israel is asking us about the Shema before the bedtime. So he went to bed, let's say, I don't know, a person did not feel well, went to bed at 8 p.m., let's say, might say the bedtime Shema, and then woke up at 11, and now like he wants to do whatever he wants to do, and then a few hours later he wants to go to sleep. So you say Beit Nat Shema before you go to sleep, not when you wake up, right before you're ready to sleep again. Okay.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.